Yes, good morning students. Let us start today's online class. And today I'm going to start lesson number here 14. And in this lesson already we have studied in previous lecture about the adverb and kinds of adverbs. Also, I have taken three kinds of adverbs. Number one, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, and adverbs of place. Already we have studied. Today I am going to take here adverbs of number or frequency. Adverbs of number or frequency. Just like in first number in adverbs of manner we have studied how an action is done, means manner, and in what manner the action is done. In second number we have studied where an action is done, in place, and at what place an action is done. In third number we have studied at what time an action is done. Here in fourth number I am taking adverbs of frequency or number, how often or how frequently an action is done. Frequently means how many times. There is number here coming. How frequently the action is done. Just like I am taking some examples here, children, and with the help of these examples you will be able to understand. This is most important for you here. What is number one is given, I called at your office twice. If we are writing sentence here, I called at your office, this is also sentence here, complete sentence, but it is not confirmed that how many times, how frequently. But if we are using here twice, it is confirming that two times I called at office. Same thing in second number I am taking, Sharmila often visits my place. Sharmila, we can write here Sharmila visits my place. This is also sentence. But how many times? It is not confirmed. But while we write here often, this word is describing, means several times. Meaning we can say here aksar, just like in Hindi. And third, this is given here. So there are several examples we can write here. I have taken only two examples. In book also more examples given. You can refer from the book also. You can read it also. But I would like to give you here some common adverbs of frequency are given below here. I have not taken all the numbers, but I have taken some common adverbs which are used in a sentences to make meaningful and add something to the meaning of a verb. Just like here, always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, etc. There are seldom, like this given here in a book, you can see. One more thing also I would like to tell you here, children. While we use adverbs of frequency or number, this type of the adverbs always answer the question of how often. Means what is here? How often. This is telling here how often. You can see I am taking this one, how often, just like here twice. In it given here often means aksar. So this we get the answer from this adverb the number, about the number and frequency. It answers the question of how often, and most important thing is here, one more also, it is usually placed before the verb. Means always, just like to see in sentence number 1 we are taking here. I called at your office twice. This is given. Second sentence, Sharmila often visits my place. What is given here? Sharmila often. Often is given here. This is before the verb. This is visits given here. Means it is used before the verb. Some exceptions are given here, just like it has given in the end of a sentence. But mostly it is used before the verb. Students, just like this is given here in adverbs of manner. So mostly students confuse in it. Most of the students confuse. Adverbs of manner. I would like to talk to you here about the adverbs of manner also. Now students, I am telling to you one more thing also about all 4 kinds of adverbs. Just like firstly, adverbs of manner gives answer of a question. Adverbs of manner gives question of how an action is done. Means method, manner, how an action is done. And it is especially which is important thing for you, because mostly students commit a mistakes in use of adverbs. In adverbs of manner, adverbs are used here as means after the verb. Main thing is here, adverbs of manner mostly used as means after the verb. Example also you can see, children, just like the birds flew away. Yesterday we have taken these examples here. The birds flew away. Just like the birds flew away. If we take this example here, away is a adverbs of manner. Away is a adverbs of manner. But what is here? It is used after the verb flew. After the verb flew, it is used here. And this is, now I am using, just like Sheila can't speak clearly. Manner I am telling here. This is the place here, sorry. If I am taking another example, Sheila can't speak clearly. What is? Sheila cannot speak clearly. This is given here. In it also you are looking. This is the verb speak, and adverb is here clearly. Adverb. So what is this verb is used here? Means speak clearly is used after the verb here. In place, in also, if we take about the, just like time, if we talk about the time here, means we have to see adverbs of time is placed in the beginning or end of a sentence. In the beginning or end of a sentence. Just like you can see example of these. Anil met me yesterday. Anil met me yesterday. Means what is in the end of, means already it has been given here. Either it is in the beginning or in the end of a sentence. So in the end of a sentence, what is here? Yesterday. Yesterday here. Another example we can take, tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday. We can use here. That is why I am defining every numbers, and this one tell means at what time an action is done. This adverb is replying or giving answer at what time an action is done. Students, I am taking next one also. Next I have to take adverbs of place. What is given here? Adverbs of place. In the adverbs of place, what is here? Means adverbs of place is used after the verb. What is after the verb? Already I had given to you an example. And what is here? At what place an action is done? Means this adverb of place answer the question at what place an action is done. Number fourth is here adverbs of number. Fourth, this is here given. Adverbs of number or frequency. Already I have discussed here. Means is placed. Means it is placed here. Where we place? After the verb. This is also you after the verb we use here. Examples. Any more examples I can give you here? Just like what is means it is placed before the verb, not after. There is a mistake here, sorry. What is before the verb we take here in adverbs of frequency. Just like examples already I'm giving to you. Mr. Chadda rarely comes to the club. Just like you see, Mr. Chadda rarely comes to the club. Rarely comes to the club. This is given here, children. In it, what are we looking? In the frequency or number, already what comes? This adverb is coming just before the verb. Means what is here? This is the verb and this is the adverb here. So in summary we can say, in adverbs of manner, this adverbs of manner is used after the verb. Is it clear? Number 2, adverbs of time is placed in the beginning or the end of a sentence. It is used here. In third number we take place. This adverb is placed after the verb. Means it is used here after the verb. And in fourth number we are taking adverbs of number is placed before the verb. And it completes its meaning. Children, I am taking only this much today because it was important for you. You go through properly this lesson, try to understand, confirm all the doubts, and I will discuss 2 more types of the adverbs in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.